guys, it's that time again. Let's take a peek. It's playtime. You'll see toys spread all over the floor. There's my friend. How you doing there? What you doing, Finny? Little Finnegan. More toys. And then Pearl and Matt cuddling.
Puppy!
I'm going to get down on the floor with them so that they will crawl up and cuddle with me. Hi, guys. Hi, sweeties. Betty, you're all up in the way. There they are. There's more friends. You'll get it. Yo, that's cute. I love the head shake. The head shake is my favorite. Move, Betty, you're in the way. We want to see the playing. We have Bo. Come on, off my arm. We have Bo and Betty, if people would get out of the way, trying to play. Betty, move. Please. Hi, Pebbles. Bo. Hi, Bam. That's Betsy right there with the ball in her mouth coming our way. Hi, Betsy girl. Oh, God. All the big kids are in the way. All the big kids are in the way. Bam. Beat it.
No, Bam.
She's like, yeah, right. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, get in that pool. Got a nice free blanket in there. There we go. There you see our little friend Willow. She has a toy. We have Betsy. She has a toy. And Bam Bam's tail. Oh, sorry, Betty. Back over here to this friend. How you doing, Bo? Are you enjoying that? Is that fun for you, Bo? Huh? Pearl, watch. Oh, yeah.
Where's all the puppies at?
Hi, Betsy. Just getting cut off at the pass. And then we have our good friend Willow. What are you doing, little Scunchel? What are you doing, girl? Hi, Cammy. Hi, Cammy. Oh, she's under the pearl. She's a sweet little thing. Hi, Graphene. Hi, Betsy. They like Auntie Pearl, so they'll probably go kiss on her. Ain't you right, Betsy? There's Fred. Oh, see, they like the kissy noise. Right, Willow girl. And then we have friends trying to cuddle. Oh, get that daddy. What are you doing, sweetie? Hi, Bam. Well, we got friends around the corner over there. Exploring a little further into the house.
Come here, puppy. Come here.
Come here, little babies. Puppy dog. You're like, yeah, there's way more to explore. We have a couple friends. There's Fred. Here's Fred. And there he goes. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to have to come back with a little video later because there's Matt. Oh, we have friends coming back. I was going to say lots of toys, but no friends. But we got friends. Isn't that right, Seamus? Seamus got the short end of the stick last time. Let's get some Seamus in there. Don't you run away on me now, you stinker. Bam. Oh, Seamus wanted to beat him to the toys. Hi, Cammy. Hi, Cammy. She's pulling on my shirt right now. That's the Seamus. He was playing with that earlier. He likes the ropes. They like the ropes. I can't see from a distance who that is over there. Is that Fred? That's Fred in the background chewing on the bone. Cammy, I think you had a little growth spurt. They had a growth spurt.
We're all back.
Everybody's back. We're back in business, baby. Oh, watch the arm. Mommy's trying to record. Seamus and Willow about to go hide over there. Seamus is a very take my toy and go hide. That way nobody else can have it. He goes and hides things. See, he's trying to collect he has the one over there, and he's trying to get that one for a set. He can hide over there, up on the cushion we have on the floor. See, there he goes. Well, he tried anyway. There you go, Seamus. You got it, buddy. Okay. Who do we got with the ball in her mouth? That looks like Willow Bug. That's Willow and Cammy. That's right. They're playing. They're playing. There's too many big dogs in the way. Honey, is it dinner time? Betsy. She's got like a whole cluster of toys around her. Now we just came back around. We came back around. We just had to be a little patient. Willow and Cammy giving Matt loving. Meanwhile, I got Betsy right here. She was just sitting in my lap.
I love you. Say it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say it. You want the button? I'll get a button. You can push it.
Oh my God, look at those ears. Goodness gracious. Uh-oh. Your ears are totally out of control, Barney. Betsy running by. What are you troublemakers doing? What are you doing? Hi, Fred. Hi, Fred. Oh, there's my friend and Cammy. Hi, guys. Oh, I love you, Chid. I love your little fuzziness. You're such a little trouble. Yeah. What you doing, Penny? Are you observing the puppies? Matt, you got some new shoes. Boots with the fur. Oh, they ran away. They didn't like that song. Of all the songs that we sing to them, they never beat it like that. Oh dear, we're back. Hi, Seamus. Oh, I don't know if that's... Yeah. No, that's Fred. Matt just left the room. We're clear. Many toys have been found and played with, and that is the sound of all the big dogs going away. It's dinner. There they come. Anytime Matt leaves the room or I leave the room, they follow us. Isn't that right? Oops. I was trying to do a little floor action with them coming up. Oh, Willow. See, that didn't work out. It didn't work out. That's why we're not a professional, right, Willow? We're not a professional at this. We just try. We just try. Bam, could you move so I can get Willow? And she's off. And there goes Betsy. Here comes Cammy. Oh, no, that's not Cammy. I'm sorry. I keep messing up some of their names. Some of them have their collars off now. There they are. They know it's dinner time in our house for the dogs. 6 o'clock, 6:30. We generally get the feeding on. This is what I got in my face right now. But I'm going to say goodbye because they all kind of are scattered. But I'll talk to you soon. Yeah, I know, I just said that they were following you around. And there we go. We're back. Sorry. False alarm.
Come here, puppies. Come here. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's that in there?
They're probably in the dining room.
Oh, there's 2. Come here. Come here. Oh, and they're following me still.
What are you doing, Betsy girl? Betsy girl. Little Betsy girl. Oh, that's a cute Betsy.
Puppies.
I got your pretty ears. I do. They're cute.
Puppies.
You're a little cutie. You're a little cute girl. I got your little face. Yeah. Betsy girl. You got great spots, Betsy. We've got to investigate.
Alright, everybody's getting hungry. So.
Everybody's hungry? Little kids are going to eat?
Yep.
Okay. Willow, you want to say goodbye? How about you, Fred? Hi, Fred. Hi, Willow. Do you know your name yet? Little fur skin? You are a little pistol. You're the boy, you're the boy.
Y'all hungry?
You hungry, Willow? All right, say goodbye to your family. I'll see you soon. Bye now.